So in this video, I am going to show you how we use estate agents as a great source. All of it is just, you got to put all the pieces together. There's no right or wrong way. You just got to be attacking it from all angles. So this document here is in your module below to download, and it needs to become your estate agent pipeline book. So what we want to do is first and foremost, just jump onto Google and just find estate agents in your area. And what you want to do is try and work with the estate agents that aren't massive. You want ideally the smaller estate agents. A couple of ways you can spot them: number of reviews on Google, and also just clicking in and having a quick browse around, because for example, they are quite a big estate agent and they've only got 6 reviews, so that doesn't necessarily ring true. Same for them. But just having a quick flick through, if you don't recognize any names, that probably means they're not a massive estate agent, because you won't have seen their advertising in your area, that sort of thing. And what we want to do is just build up who they are, what their contact number is, what their email address is. Even if it's an info@sales@admin, it doesn't matter at this stage. We just need to build it up. And then contact name. This is the person that we're going to hone in on. That person is going to become the only person that you will speak to in that estate agency. Every time you ring to ask for something, you ring for them. You're building that relationship with them. They need to know who you are. They need to know that what you do, and they need to know that they can befriend them, get on good terms with them, that you're not just, there for a quick give me something and then run away. You're going to add value to them. You're going to help them earn more commission. You're going to help them place more of their properties with yourself, which is ultimately going to help them earn more money, help them look good in front of their boss, because they're bringing in, they're getting their properties let quickly, or they're getting their properties sold quickly. So that one person, you're going to benefit them. You're going to help solve their problem, and in return, they're going to help you. Find out if they're rent-to-rent friendly. Some aren't, some are. Okay, the bigger ones, not so much. The smaller ones, they'll take anything to get some money in the till. So that's why I like to work with the smaller ones. When the last contact was, what the call notes were, and what the follow-up action is. Your list should be 50, 60, 70 plus. Depending on location. So you cannot remember every conversation that you're going to have with somebody. You more than likely can't remember their names. I'm terrible with names. So you need to make sure that you're making the notes. And then what I want you to do, so once you've built your list, I then want you to take action straight away. Build your list today. And then I want you to ring 25 estate agents, and I want you to start building a relationship, getting a proper email address. And I want you to just tell them what you're looking for. So, you're looking for below market value properties if they've got anything, you're new to the area, new to the investment circle, whatever it might be. And you're also looking for these deals to help your service accommodation business. Or you're looking for this type of property to help your HMO business. Is there anything that they've got? No. Is it okay if I could take your email address so I could just keep checking in with you every now and then? That's all we need to be doing. Get out of the comfort zone, build a relationship. 25 phone calls on here by the end of today, and then complete the task. And you will start to use this estate agency list further on in the program. So make sure that you're collecting email addresses. It's vitally important that you collect email addresses to get some quick wins, which I'm going to show you how to do in a couple of videos' time.